This is where I found the stuff.
Okay, new area, Monday. Over by Kathy's.
Thing was up there, but what got me was this. Oh, this is a vine. Okay. Okay, ready? Please, Lord, please. See, there's no tracks or anything that led up to this area.
Yeah.
Where's that quiet? Marion's here and Pam is here, and we're gonna have a good day. Yeah, the golden girl with the Sasquatch sisters. Here we are. That's me right here. This is. There's one. There's all kinds. I don't know. There's all kinds of prints over here, but I don't know. Yep, and an arch. I'm gonna follow them. Maybe they'll... Man, look at that one though. There's all kinds of prints back here.
Something to hide in right there.
Yeah. I definitely think it's
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Up.
wet, it's cool, it transitions real close to another area. Because I've always read most of the food, like the plants and stuff, are in transition areas.
Makes sense.
Palms. Over here, there's like two palms that both grow up on a. They're both growing up a regular tree.
Oh, that's so cool. I love taking pictures of trees. That one's pretty neat.
Let's see what these are. Oh gosh, it is fabulous. What? There's all kinds of tracks I don't even know anymore. I'm trying to follow them to see if... I mean, it's not hunting season, so I don't understand. There's some awfully deep ones right here. I don't know. I don't know. Why would they go here, not up here? There's just too many tracks. There's so many tracks. I don't know. Makes you wonder. I feel like I'm in a jungle. It's beautiful back here. Absolutely. But there's so many. I just don't understand. Yeah, this is a trail, some kind of blue trail. I don't know. What to think? This was, it had to have been heavy. Look at this. I don't know. Surely there's a lot of tracks going that way, going this way, and I'm gonna go in the middle. And I see a whole lot of tracks here. I don't know. It's just, this is in a straight line. That is so deep. Which way? This way? Yeah. I don't know. I just don't know anymore. It seems like a whole lot of tracks. I'm coming back here. Let's see what they got going on.
Do you?
I don't see the water, but you see how the trees,
Oh, yeah.
the blue off of the trees,
Okay.
getting lower.
Okay. Yeah, that would be about right. You said about a half a mile. I think that's about right.
It's only about 22.
Yeah, it is. Nice.
Yeah.
What on earth?
In here.
What?
Should we be concerned?
We got that and pepper spray.
This is sitting here and these are brand new.
What? Where did you see them?
In here. If I see a body, I'm gonna flip the freak out.
Well, why
What
is that?
concerns me is,
It's in there.
are
What?
they laughing at us now because they walk barefoot places?
Is something in
These
there?
are off. So now everything is suspect
Yeah,
because
everything's-
if they don't got their shoes on.
What's in that hole? That could be a water bird.
I'm thinking, Kathy, that might be the drill.
You think? Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch out, there's a big old hole right here.
Yeah, this is definitely a drill.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, where was I going?
See how the leaves get mulched down.
Jesus, look at that. Oh, yeah, that is a hole. Ooh.
I went straight down in there.
Ooh. Yeah, somebody's marked something. The water bottle. But that could have been there for hunting season. You don't know.
Right, absolutely.
Go that way.
Oh.
All that stuff off.
Yep, and here's a print right here, man. Someone's either living back here or...
Yeah, it makes you wonder if they're right.
They just don't look... The thing is that they don't look old and they're deep and I don't understand it. Yeah, somebody's been... I don't know. There's too many tracks. Too many... I don't know. Too many tracks to me.
Oh, look, there's another stick.
Another one.
Yeah, it's like somebody's knocking.
Someone's knocking for sure.
See how the blue on the sky, the skyline's getting
yeah.
lower and lower?
Open area.
Yeah.
Now I'm seeing wetness here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It goes up and down, up and down. Oh, no doubt during the rains, this whole place is underwater.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, yeah. I think that was really under right now.
People wanting to go fishing.
We're still on the trail though, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, water. Yep, right here.
Going this way, so there may be a piece of high land, but see, this goes out for a while.
Oh,
before you-
yeah.
Um,
Oh, yeah.
so this trail goes this way.
I like the fact they marked it nice like this though.
Yeah.
Whoever did it.
Yeah, so that you can go this way, go straight.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a nice little trail.
Woodpecker.
Yeah, but see that
It's too
stuff?
open up with the sky, so
When you
it's
look at the
definitely water.
satellite, there's I don't know how many feet of this
Yeah,
stuff.
before.
We're definitely there though because you can see the way it opened up with the sky.
Well, that's. Oh, look at this. That's the little sign sometimes.
Look at satellite, that would cover. So it's just wandering.
Yeah,
Be right at it.
I want to go
Well,
back.
we're at the lake. It's
Oh,
just
okay.
what I'm thinking. I'm following this because if they're fishing,
Right.
they might know of high ground that doesn't have this,
Right, good point.
and we can see the whole lake.
Now it's getting humid, or is it just me?
No, it's humid.
Yeah. See, this is where we're at right now. And you see all this rice? But look,
Huh.
It's all
Yeah, somebody. Yeah, look, another stick
nice.
in the ground.
Yeah.
Look at this.
70 meters, roughly, a little over 70, maybe 80 meters. However much.
I didn't think we were too bad off here.
Yeah, so
I like it back there.
Oh, look, some more of that.
Mm-hmm. And he said this might go to a high spot.
Bird. Woodpecker. Now, that is tread.
Yeah.
Man, this is
Another arrow.
so beautiful. Oh, wow.
But then where did they park?
Do what, Pam?
I said, then where did they park?
Back here fishing.
Oh, yeah, they would have to walk back here. Unless they live here.
Well, we could go here.
Sure is pretty. I don't know if I probably wouldn't mind. If I live off the land.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is interesting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You got all kinds of wood going in between there. I'm taking a picture.
A little bit your way. I
Yeah.
got it. Yeah.
Too hot. Mm-hmm. I like that. I like that. Look at that big old trident.
Get out of the way.
Well, that's interesting. Oh, look at that dark spot up on the tree up there. There's a real dark spot up there. What is that?
Oh, there's the lake. It's big. It's pretty. I see the water.
Where do you see the water?
Oh, it's all water.
Oh, is that it?
High on that.
Oh, that's it.
Stand up here.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, wow. Watch out for alligators. Oh, my
Oh
God.
yeah. You bet.
Oh
Well,
my
we
God,
did it.
a jacket.
Somebody here? Not people, boats. They can just walk in and go fishing.
Oh shit. Oh my God.
We are just looking at the lake. We're not going to bother your stuff at all. That's not what we're here for.
Oh, they got canoes. Oh, they really did it cool.
So then all these prints are nothing.
Yeah, somebody really went all out. This is super nice.
Yeah, it is. As I said, they put a lot of work.
Yeah, they sure did. This is beautiful back here.
Wow.
Very nice.
And again, don't swim with your stuff. We're just here to look at the lake. We're not going to mess with your stuff. I don't know if they have audio or not.
Yeah, we're not here to take nothing, look at nothing. We're just hikers. Wow, you would never imagine that.
Thank you for making the trail.
What's that?
Look at that. They're nice people. Look at the heart.
Aw,
We found it.
aw.
That's so cool. Hey, I think this is amazing what they did. Whoever did this, it's awesome. And you know what?
Is that an osprey or an
This is
ostrich?
a great place to keep them. Who's going to
Where'd it go?
It's going that way. I
Oh.
don't think it's an eagle,
I don't know.
but that was a weird sound. I think it was an osprey.
Yep, that's not an eagle. It's coming back.
I think it was probably messed it over there and we upset it.
Wow. Well, they could have. Oh, wow. Yeah, they.
Yeah, you did a lot of work.
Uh-huh.
I see they got tools over there.
Mm-hmm. So then come out here and these are all old, so if they disappear, it's not
Yeah, they
a
don't
lot of
care.
money.
Oh, they were smart. Take that out so the boat would sink. Very nice.
Yeah, for
Oh,
sure.
look how big.
So,
Let me get a picture of the
so
lake.
all.
If I
Oh
can
my
get.
God, they got a blanket.
No, you're okay. I'm going to walk back there.
So basically, all those prints are suspect.
Yeah, unfortunately, yes.
So basically,
We need to leave those flip-flops where we
I'm
originally
putting it
found
back.
them.
Yeah, because now we know that they're marking this